Keyword research will help you as a creator develop video ideas, understand the language of your topic, and better optimize your content for search and discovery on YouTube. Once you've signed up to vidIQ and authenticated your YouTube channel, you can visit the vidIQ channel dashboard. On this screen, you will see the Keyword Opportunities panel where you can type in a search, and this will take you directly to the dedicated keywords research page. This page is split into 5 research panels, the first being the overall score of the keyword you have searched for. The closer the score is to 100, the better, as ideally, you want lots of people searching for a term without too much video competition, but of course, this is rare. To help refine your search, the next panel shows related keywords, and you can dive even deeper by viewing all of the keywords. Each keyword will be rated in different categories, including the keyword score, and you can sort by each of these columns if you wish. As I mentioned earlier, this is a fantastic way to better understand the language used in your video topic. You might call this your content thesaurus. Oh, and as a small navigation point, you can use these links at the top of the page to continue your keyword research. Next we have matching terms. This will show you keyword phrases that include the original keyword search, in this case Minecraft. What this is useful for is discovering specific topics or niches within your keyword. The broader the topic, the more competition, so being highly focused enables you to become the expert for a particular keyword and phrase within a highly searched video topic. Now this next panel is a personal favourite, and consider this your secret weapon, especially if you are an education channel creating search-based content. It will take your keyword and turn it into the typical type of questions people search for on YouTube to get answers. So if you're in the business of creating what are, where is, should I, or how to content, this is the ultimate ideas generator. Oh, and I've got another quick tip for you. You can export all of this data as CSV files. Now, if all your keyword research is going to plan, the next thing you might want to do is content research, and at the bottom of the screen, a few of the trending videos for that keyword are displayed, giving you an opportunity to see what type of thumbnails and titles make the content clickable, as well as jumping straight onto YouTube to watch any of them. So the next time you want to record, make sure to put in the research first, as I guarantee you that will help you make a better YouTube video.